see the help there, Damon, especially after a storm like this one. It seems like, relief efforts, people really need the help even weeks later.
Exactly. And a lot of great examples coming out of the DMV of the help that we've all been giving. So that's good to see that for sure.
Yeah, well, we have been having beautiful weather, up and down a little bit, but, beautiful.
Yeah, the temperatures will always be a roller coaster, but when we have this sunny sky, my goodness, it makes all the difference. Yet again, we have abundant sunshine across the DMV, and that is the primary reason why we've warmed things up. It wasn't quite as chilly last night, but still, we've already bumped things up a good 20 degrees or so. Look at this, temperatures out there, mostly 70s popping up on the map. We still have a few locations like Annapolis, back toward Hagerstown and Winchester, Cumberland in the mid to upper 60s, but not too far off the same pace as everybody else. We do have a few locations though, Westminster, Waldorf, Culpeper, already getting into those middle and upper 70s, well on our way to another day in the 80s. That is not common at all here during the month of October, but it's what we are seeing because we have this abundant sunshine, very light winds with that ridge of high pressure still just off to our south and west. But that high is going to start to move away off of the Atlantic coast as we go into your Wednesday and Thursday. It's not going to bring any major changes, but there will be some adjustments happening as we see that high leave and a cold front arrive. So today, again, we will have another day in the 80s. That cold front that is well off to our west at this point, it does sweep through tomorrow night going into Thursday. And behind that front, there will be a change in wind direction, a surge of some breezy winds out of the northwest, and that is what is set to cool us down as we head into the second half of the work week. That front, though, despite the change in temperature, that bit of wind it's going to bring, it is not expected to bring any sort of rainfall. This extended dry stretch we've been on, it is going to continue here for the next few days. Let's talk temperatures, though, again this afternoon. There it is. We're going to make that run up toward 80 degrees. Several locations like we saw yesterday. DC reached 82. We could do that once again this afternoon, and we could have several other locations in the lower 80s before all is said and done. Now, tonight it will be cooling off, but it's not going to get quite as chilly yet again. We'll mostly see temperatures in the 40s. We'll have some locations, even the higher terrain out across the mountains in the 50s. So cool, but not necessarily chilly. And then before that front arrives tomorrow, we will see one more warm afternoon as temperatures rebound at least to the upper 70s. We'll have a few lower 80s out there as well. But as that front sweeps in Wednesday night, there's that chillier air that starts to roll its way back in by early Thursday morning, and it will stay on the cooler side of things as we head into the second half of the week. Highs Thursday, Friday, only in the 60s with those overnight lows dropping as well. And then another cold front will arrive on Saturday, not bringing much in terms of rain showers, but it will keep temperatures cooler over the weekend.